So this is a 2007 Chevy Impala 3.5 liter. Had a code P0442, small evap leak, and purchased a Purge Valve Solenoid, which is this unit right here. And we're gonna get this thing replaced. This should be fairly quick. We disconnect the electrical, push in on this plastic clip, and that comes off. That's just a that slides in, and should be 10 mil. I'm gonna have to get me an extension quick. Be right back. So, yep, 10 millimeter. This is going to be a super fast repair. Save a bunch of money. This valve I picked up at O'Reilly's. It was $43 for the valve. I don't know what they would charge you at the dealership, but I guess it's considerably more. And whatever the labor rate, I don't know what they charge for this, but you could probably save at least half by doing this yourself. So that valve comes out. I'll kind of clean this off a bit. And the new one simply presses in. There we go. And we'll put this back real quick. Want to bother getting out my power, because this was so easy to fix and fast. I mean, I just got home from the auto store. Let's snug that up. We will put this connection back on. There we go. It snaps all the way down. And that's it. Done. Wrench, extension, 10 mil, little pick. Really wasn't even needed for the pick. Replace the valve. Should be all set. We'll see how she runs. Well, that took care of the problem. I mean, real time, my video is 3 minutes. 3-minute repair. Easily done. Especially on this 3.5 liter. It's going to probably be similar on most of the General Motors products, but hopefully it gives you a little confidence to get out there and save yourself some money. Hope that helps somebody out. Have a good one.